What up, gang? In this video, first of all, we're gonna go into a conversation that I had with my team in the office. It was more of an inspirational conversation. It kind of showed how I went from basically having no money in my pocket to being able to make millions of dollars. And it's something that anybody can do. Seriously, and I'm gonna explain that to you. I'm also gonna explain the process and actually how it works and how long it actually takes and how long you have to believe in yourself and really get it going and how to believe in yourself. Just kind of goes into that stuff that is actually a fundamental process in the foundation of you actually building yourself to become whatever you want to become in your life. Doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't matter if you want to do music, doesn't matter if you want to be a lawyer, doesn't matter if you want to be a doctor, doesn't matter what you want to be. These are fundamentals that are going to help you get there, okay? I just happen to use them for growing Smart Rapper and helping tens of millions of artists and growing my music career and getting where I'm at. And not only that, does allow me to be where I'm at now when I started way down here, but it allows me to be way up here of the visions and the goals that I have to get there. I've already came this far. It's going to happen, and I'm going to show you how I'm making it happen. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go into a conversation that I'm having with my team where I explain to them how my crazy stuff actually got me to a crazy level. So you're about to get smarter, be motivated, be inspired, and reach a higher level of thinking right after the intro.
I'm Rob Level, a successful music artist that's been rapping for over 10 years. I've been posted everywhere from Complex to TMZ. I've had label deals, charted top 100, written songs for major artists with Grammy winners. On here, I teach you everything I learned in the music business. So as I learn, you get to learn too. This is Smart Rap.
If you think about something enough, you actually start to do the things that it takes to acquire the thing because your brain wants it so much. So what do I need to do to get this? I need to get money, I need to build this, I need to do this. It becomes subconscious. And it takes 6 years from the moment you decide and you write down all of your goals. Takes about 6 years for it to happen. And when I heard that about 6 months ago, I was like, oh my God, I'm at the 6 month mark in 6 months for everything. And it just, now it's actually happening. It's crazy. No, it's insane. All the pieces start coming together. You go, holy come on. That is really how that works. But you have to start like now. I was with Waka late 2014 in Atlanta, and I had written the things on inside of it about me and Waka and da 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 da, right? So by the end of this year, it would be exactly 6 years. From the moment I made that book, and I just completed filling out the entire book with affirmations and goals and stuff, and every day, all like, you know what I'm saying, day after day after day, and then it comes together. What the f? Now, I hope that video actually helped you guys, right? Because that's how I think, and I'm crazy, but I'm not the only crazy person. This is actually how almost every successful person that I know does this stuff, right? Because it's about believing in yourself, getting your mind in the right place, setting the goals, having the vision, having the dream, knowing that you can reach it and get to that level. It's all of these things. And if you plan ahead of time and know where you want to be, well, your mind starts putting things in place for you to actually reach those things and those goals. If you don't know where you want to be, it's like me being like, look, I'm in LA, but I want to drive to Chicago right now. But if you don't have a roadmap, your ass is going to get lost all along the way. But if I know exactly where I'm going and how I'm going to get there and what I'm going for, well, I get to go right there. And what does that happen? It shortens the time that it takes to make it happen. Now to you may think, wow, Rob, that's a long time to have those goals. And that took a long time. Everything takes time. There's one thing that I've learned in my entire life is that you have to have patience for things. But I do also know that having that patience leads to the success. So now I'm okay with having that patience. So what you have to do is say, where do you want to be? Think big, have a big vision, say, this is where I want to be. This is who I'm going to become. And what happens is your brain and your life starts really molding itself into that if you really want to become it.
He ain't lying.
It's really that simple. You're not going to change overnight. It takes a long time to get there. But what happens is you hit all of those pieces of who you want to become all along that time frame. If I could tell you right now, you set all your goals and say everything that you want to do in the next 6 years of your life, and then I could guarantee you that if you actually work for it, that you would be that person in 6 years. You would say, yeah, let's do it. And that's what I'm telling you right now. So you need to do it. Now, anybody who has taken my rapper shortcut or has some of my courses, you know that I actually show you my time management skills. I show you inside of my vision binders and showing you how to make your own stuff and set all this up for yourself, because it's about getting into the mindset, and I have all this stuff for you. That's actually one of the first levels. So if you go below inside of the description of any one of my videos, you're gonna see the level system. And it's actually part of the first level because it is a foundation. Once you have your mind right, you can do the rest. Complete level 1, you can easily move to level 2. Complete level 2, you can move to level 3. But this is in level 1 for a reason, because it helps with all the levels after level 1. Even if your levels aren't music and it's anywhere else in life, it helps you for the rest of your life. I'm telling you, okay? So check those links below. All right, guys, hit me with a comment what you think about this. You think I'm crazy? I mean, you just call me crazy, but look at me now, right? Think about that. So leave your comment below. You hate, you love, whatever it is. Hit me with a like and make sure you subscribe so I can give you more crazy stuff every single day like we do on this channel, all right? Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top with your crazy heads.